Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com, and today I want to take a look under the hood of the Yoder Smoker's YS1500S pellet grill. Now, this grill was initially introduced in 2014, and since then, the ATBBQ team has logged hundreds of cooks on this grill, from low and slow to hot and fast. So today, I want to share with you what we've learned. When the 1500 was first introduced, it was immediately embraced by competition cooks, caterers, restaurateurs, people whose income relies on the quality of their food. But it did not take long for that 1500 to jump the fence and become a favorite in backyards across the country and now around the world. Now, we all know that Yoder is known for its rugged build quality, and the 1500 is no exception. Weighing in at 770 pounds, the heavy-duty cooking chamber is constructed from 3/16" steel and sits on a heavy-duty cart with 10-inch tires to make transport easy. Let's take a look inside. The YS1500S has over 1,500 square inches of cooking space. So that's roughly 18 ribs laid flat, and you could even do 18 pork butts in there. If you cook in pans, the 1500 will hold 3 full-size foil pans across the main grate and 1 more up top on the shelf that slides out for easy access. Now, at the heart of the grill is Yoder Smoker's Adaptive Control System, or ACS. With the ACS, you can monitor the grill and the food temperatures. You can also build custom programs to manage the cook in process. This can all be done at the grill or remotely through the Fireboard app. The 175 to 500 degree temperature range provides unmatched versatility for a large capacity grill, allowing you to make easy work out of all types of cooking, from low and slow to hot and fast. One of the key difference makers for the 1500 is Yoder's patented heat management system. The heat management system is a heavy plate that sits between the fire and the cooking grates. It has a series of holes that begin small and increase in size as they progress toward the exhaust stack. This design allows heat and smoke to enter evenly into the cooking chamber, creating an immersive cooking environment that produces improved color, texture, bark, and flavor. The final component in the heat management system is the adjustable damper over the firebox that provides granular temperature control. The damper is operated by a pull handle. This damper allows the operator to 1. Fine-tune the temperature from side to side, 2. Speed temperature recovery after the door has been opened, and 3. Create a direct over-the-flame grilling zone. Now, by opening this damper up, we can actually create direct, indirect, and roasting zones, 3 different zones. The potatoes have been cooking direct, getting some nice color on them. We're gonna slide these up here to cook along with the mac and cheese, which is already looking good. And now we've got room to put a bunch of steaks over the direct flame, as well as some shrimp, while roasting our veggie skewers off to the right. So we've given the veggies a little head start time now, and we're ready to put our steaks on. So we've got this door wide open. We're loading these up over the door. We'll do a little rotation here to make sure we cook everything evenly. And then we can always move these kind of into roasting zone to finish off our shrimp at the end. All right, so we've got some good color on all of these steaks here. We're moving them off into the more indirect roasting zone so we can finish our shrimp right over the flame. Look, bottom line, the 1500, it's an amazing grill, and that's not an accident. It's the sum of all of these parts, from the heavy cooking chamber to the thick steel, your adaptive control system, your heat management system. All of these things together make the grill what it is, and honestly make it the best grill in its class. So whether you're smoking or baking or roasting, whatever you're looking to do, the 1500's got you covered. So do me a favor, head over to atbbq.com, check out the YS1500S, as well as all of the other great products that you see featured on this channel. And as always, never hesitate to reach out to our team. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.